Hi guys, welcome to Government Job Preparation Center. So friends, here in this video we're going to discuss about LUCENT GK Geography. So this is part 2. Okay, so in our previous section we have explained you the part 1. So in that part 1 it consists of universe, galaxy, the Big Bang theory and the stars. Okay, so here this is the part 2 and these are audio classes guys. Okay, so in this audio classes you can able to listen what I'm telling. So we are going to tell you the important points which was on the LUCENT GK book. Okay, so if you have LUCENT GK book, open page number 158. So there you can see, and we have marked all the important points there, and we will explain you the important points in the LUCENT GK book. Okay, so don't read all the things which are in the LUCENT GK book, so only read important points in the LUCENT GK book. If you read all the points in the book, it will consume a lot of time. Okay, so read only important points, so we will tell you that important points here. Okay, so before going to that, if you like this video guys, hit like button. So support us guys, just like this video and share this video guys, so that it will become a lot for us, and it will support us a lot. And also if you want any notifications for our future upcoming video, hit subscribe button guys. Okay, if you hit subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon, so that you can get notifications about all that videos. Okay, and also we have also said history, Indian history, LUCENT Indian history audio classes. If you want to listen, you can listen. We have also made that. Okay, so let us start our video. So first of all, here in this video I'm going to tell you the first of all here we're going to tell you in this video the solar system, the sun and the planets. Okay, we're going to discuss about these three parts now. Okay, first of all, the solar system. Okay, as you know, solar system, in the solar system the sun is at the center of the solar system and all the bodies which revolves around the sun. Okay, as you know this thing. So here the planets revolve around the sun in an elliptical orbit. So the orbit, they will ask you commonly, the orbit is elliptical orbit. Okay, the planets will revolve in an elliptical orbit. And next, in the solar system, the planet, so the nearest planet to the sun is Mercury and the farthest planet from the sun is Neptune. Okay, so as you know, in the solar system nearest planet is Mercury and the farthest planet is Neptune. Okay, and the size of the solar system is about 10 to the power of 5 AU, that means astronomical units. Generally scientists will calculate the distance as AU, that means astronomical units, and also like light year. So that was the distance, they will measure the distance like this. Okay, like astronomical units and also like light years and all these things. Pluto is a dwarf planet. As you know, the Pluto is a dwarf planet. Dwarf planet is nothing but the small tiny planet. And Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars called as terrestrial planets. Terrestrial planets means nearest planets. Okay, and also like the hardest planets, that means solid surface planets. And the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune called as gaseous planets. Gaseous planets means nothing but they covered with the gas. Okay, you can't see any solid bodies there, so they are all gaseous planets. Okay, the solar system, introduction about the solar system has completed. Okay, the thing about the solar system has completed. And the next, the sun. Okay, here you can see the size is 13 lakhs times as that of Earth. Okay, the size of sun is 13 lakhs times more than the Earth. And the diameter of the sun is 14 lakhs kilometers. So remember this point, diameter of the sun is 14 lakhs kilometers, and it composed of 71% hydrogen. So sun mainly composes of two gases. The gases are hydrogen and helium. So hydrogen is 71% and helium is 26.5%, and all other gases are 2%. Okay, so how this sun emits a light and emits heat? So due to nuclear fusion. So how this nuclear fusion was happens on the sun? Like hydrogen will convert into helium due to some nuclear fusion. Okay, they will ask you this in your examination. So how the nuclear fusion will occur? So hydrogen will convert into helium. Okay, and the nuclear, due to some nuclear fusion, and it will releases a tremendous heat and also the light. and the surface temperature of the sun is 5504.85 degrees centigrade. Okay, and the next, the temperature at the center of center is around 1.571 into 10 to the power of 7 Kelvin, or 1 crore 50 lakhs degrees centigrades. So the temperature of the sun at the center is 1 crore 50 lakhs degrees centigrades. Okay, so the shining surface is called photosphere. As you see, the sun it shines a lot, so the shining surface of the sun is called as a photosphere. Okay, and this photosphere appears like a disk. So this is about the sun, and main important point about the sun is, so the sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Okay, so this is one of the important point. They will mainly ask you the distance of the sun and the earth. So the sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Okay, and the speed of the light, do you know the speed of the light? The speed of the light is approximately 3 lakhs kilometers per second. Okay, with that speed, if light travels with that 3 lakhs kilometers per second from the sun, so it will take a time of about 8.5 minutes to reach to the earth. Okay, so it takes more than 8.5 minutes to reach the earth from the sun. Okay, so remember this point carefully, guys. Okay, so the light takes about 8.5 minutes to reach the earth from the sun. Okay, and next thing we're going to discuss about the planets. Okay, so in course of the planets, so the planets are divided into two types. They are inner planets and outer planets. So as you know, inner planets are nothing but the planets which was inside the solar system. Like these planets are, we said previously, like these planets are terrestrial planets. Okay, like solid surface planets. So these are inner planets. So inner planets are nothing but Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Okay, so these inner planets move faster, guys. Okay, these inner planets will move faster within a short period of revolution. Okay, and outer planets are nothing but Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so these are outer planets, and these planets are these outer planets all are gaseous planets. Okay, so the next thing is, Jupiter is the biggest planet among our solar system and Mercury is the smallest planet. Okay, so the sequence of order for these planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so here next thing, we don't want about all these planets details, so let us discuss about the details of the planet Earth. Okay, so Earth is the largest of inner planets. So we have said previously, we have discussed previously, there are 4 inner planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are the inner planets. So among these inner planets, among these 4 planets, Earth is the biggest planet. Okay, so Earth has tilted 23.5 degrees. Okay, to its axis, guys. So if someone asks you the angle of the Earth, you have to simply answer 66.5 degrees, because Earth has tilted 23.5 degrees on its axis. Okay, so it takes 23 hours 56 minutes and 4.091 seconds to rotate on its axis, and it also takes 365 days 5 hours and 48 minutes to revolve around the sun. And Earth mostly known as a watery planet, or also known as blue planet. Okay, not green planet, blue planet. Okay, watery planet or blue planet. So some of them are, most of the people and most of the students are confused at this point. So mainly Earth was called as blue planet. So many of them are marking as Earth was called as green planet. So not green planet, Earth was called as blue planet. Okay, because Earth was covered with full of water, so color of the water is absolutely blue. Okay, so the planet of the Earth is known as blue planet. Color of the Earth is blue. Okay, so this is the things about the planets. Okay, and the next one, the moon. So moon is the satellite of the earth. So don't go much details about the satellites. So up to here it's enough. Up to here about the planets. Okay, and next thing, meteors, asteroids, meteors. So don't need these asteroids or meteors comments. So we don't need these things. Okay, so here you can see the facts, stars and facts of the stars, constellations. Okay, constellation, you have to remember the constellations. Okay, so in our next topic we are going to tell you the constellations and the galaxy and the